Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: registration ID, application number, and your login password. Once done, go straight to the Gsat portal and sign in. Make sure to choose the current exam session. After signing in, open the admit card or exam details section and download the PDF. Look for labeled fields like box no, seat, or room. You're looking for a short numeric code, usually next to venue details. Note it exactly as shown. Next, decode what that box number means by reading the venue address and reporting time beside it. Often the admit PDF includes a mapping legend or seating grid. Once you find that, trace the box code to a specific room or row. Make sure to cross-check the number against any SMS or confirmation email you received, and also the institution's portal. If the code appears in multiple places, you've verified it. If not, flag the mismatch immediately. To finish, print the admit card and highlight the box number so it's easy to show. On exam day, arrive 30 to 60 minutes early, find the venue, and confirm your box with on-site staff or a displayed seating chart. If the box number is missing or seems incorrect, don't panic. Immediately contact the Gsat helpline or exam office. Once done, present screenshots of your portal, confirmation emails, and valid ID to the staff so they can assign or correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.